Today I'm going to be making a carbon door card for the Starlet. So I've already prepped the glass, cleaned it off with mold cleaner, and then put chemical release agent on it. So I'm just going to change over the camera onto the mount and get the materials ready, and then I'm going to start. Alright, so the whole thing is packed up. I'm going to get this on the vacuum pump now. So put it under vacuum. That's how it is under vacuum. Gone around it to check for leaks, didn't seem to be anything, but I'm going to leave it for 15 or 20 minutes and and then come back. We'll go have a cup of tea. So I came back and there was no leaks in the bag, and I went and mixed the resin while I was off camera, and I'm gonna put the resin flowing in now and turn the pump on. The infusion's nearly done, so I'm going to make a second part of this video of trimming the sides for the door. But overall, I'm pretty happy with how all the materials worked. Never used this tape, bag or infusion mesh from Easy Composites. Used everything else before. That's it for today.